In this video, I'm going to explain how the API from Koubi works. So first of all, you must get the base URL and session ID from us. If you don't have them, you can reach out to this email. So once we have provided these two, then you can start using the API from Koubi. So we have these functions or these endpoints that you can use. The first one is session status. This is to know the status of your WhatsApp connection with Koubi. If it is not connected, you can get the QR code with this one. This will give you the image so you can scan the QR code from your phone. And finally, if the QR code that you're trying to scan has already expired and it's marking an error on your phone, you can use session restart. This will restart the session and it will give you a new QR code. This would also work if the API is presenting some problems. Sometimes it is better just to restart the session, scan the QR code again, and most of the things will be fixed. And finally, this is how we send messages. Messages can be sent only the text or can be sent message media from URL. That's when you send files to Koubi. So let's see it in action. So in here we have already our base URL and session ID, and we have different functions. We have the send message, which we can send either a text or a file. We have the check session status and the restart session. So let's start with check session status to see the status of our connection with Koubi. So as you can see right now, it says session not connected. So the way to get the QR code is with this one. For this, because it's an image, I'm just gonna do it on the website. So now we open our device, link devices, link a device, and we scan the QR code. So you see right now it says couldn't link device, try again later. This is because the QR code already expired. So as I mentioned, we have to restart the session. For that, we're going to use this one, restart session. We have done restarted successfully. And now we use again this link, which is, as you see, session QR, the session ID, and the image, which is the same one as here. So we get a new QR code. We press link a device again, and we log in. So now this time it worked, and now it is linked. So if we go in here and check our session status again, then it says session connected as opposed to before that said session not connected. So now that we are connected, we can send messages. So as I mentioned, we can use string or we can use message media from URL. So in here, we're passing the country code, the phone number. In here, we're passing string because I want to send a text, which is hello world. So we use this, and then if we go back, we should see here how the hello world was sent to this phone number. Now, if we want to send a file instead, we can pass for content type, we pass message media from URL, and from content, we send the URL of the media. In this case, it's a photo from Lionel Messi. So we do the same, and in here, you can see that the photo was sent. So that's it. That's how you use the API from Koubi. And you can connect it to your own automations.